So now today we are going to create the uh, host pools, then session host,
Take some time.
then
Invite
we'll
them.
assign them to the users. Yeah, go to Azure Virtual Desktops. So before that, we need a virtual network also. That virtual network we are going to assign to the that AVD. All should be in the same resource group and same region.
Mhm.
Create a host pool. So in the previous session which I have shared, we have created like a personal kind of, that means it's a dedicated kind of desktops. Today we'll create a pooled kind of host pool. They give the basic details. Do you have any resource group check once?
No,
Yeah,
because
then
I've
create one
created this
resource
one.
group. Yeah.
Host full name.
Yeah, any host pool name you give. Cloud host like that.
Okay. So location
Yeah, don't use East US, Central or
Central India.
Central India is fine.
Okay.
Okay, as of now, no need a validation environment. Later, we'll create a validation environment. And preferred desktop we are choosing. Either remote apps also we can choose. Okay, host pool type. As of now, choose pooled. Yeah, choose the host pool type. I think we left. We'll wait for 2 minutes. And what about Girish? Do you have the Azure account?
Uh,
Yeah,
just
I think
like
you
it.
lost the session.
Okay, sure. Connected to Wi-Fi only. Okay. Can you please make?
Please share the screen.
Okay, sure. Load balancing algorithm. We stopped here.
Yeah, say here pool, right? Either we can go for breadth first or depth first. These two are the load balancing algorithms we have. In the session host, first it goes to depth first. If you choose all the session hosts need to be connected. If you use breadth first, it is going to give uh, individually it's going to assign those session host wise. Okay, as of now, choose breadth first. Yeah, then maximum number of session hosts, you can give 2 or 3 like that. That number of sessions per host is 2 or 3 like this we are giving. Okay, then like for the personal, it's not possible, but for the pooled, it's possible to give. Say, go and choose here, there itself personal kind. If you choose the personal, we don't get those options.
Yeah, it is not
Yeah,
come.
that's assignment. If you choose automatic, uh, or for the first time when the user log into that session host, automatically that's binding is going to come. If you use direct, we are going to assign the users. Okay, what is the automatic means? First who connects for the first time, that user is going to get a binding. For the next time onwards, that's his own personal desktop itself. If you use directly we are assigning the users to the desktop. Only one user can be assigned. Okay, but go to pooled one.
Yeah. Can I click
choose.
on next?
Then we can create the virtual missions, but later also we can add the virtual missions. Later we can add. Okay, so then we can add a workspace also later. Yeah, with the basic options, create. Later we'll add them.
Okay.
Yeah, choose workspace also. The user entitlement we are going to do through workspaces. Yeah, review and create. In the previous session, we have created like personal desktops, but here we have created pooled, and we need to add the virtual missions at the time of host pool itself. We can create, but later also we can add it. Yeah, create it. Say wait for creation. Later we'll add the virtual missions.
Uh, can I go to the resources now?
Go to that resource.
Yeah.
So now we need to add the virtual missions. As of now, we don't have any virtual missions. Okay, come to that settings and manage also. Settings, manage, left side, below to that.
Yeah.
Yeah, that scaling plan, these all will explore, but come to manage also below to that. Yeah.
Yeah.
So in the manage, we can add the application groups, MSX packages, then session host. Okay, so these all we need to assign, but first add the virtual missions. Come to the total missions, click on that. Yeah, here we can add the session host. Add those session hosts. So now those in the host pool, similar kind of the like host we are going to keep, and we're adding those VMs as the session host. Okay, these all already the pool details. Then go to virtual mission. So here we need to choose the which type of image you want. All those we are going to choose it. So give any name prefix. Even while creating the catalogs also will give like this. The
Okay.
cloud VDA is something you can give.
AVD 1. Okay.
Yeah. So then those virtual missions are virtual missions itself. If you want on hybrid kind of cloud, then we need to use that HCI and use the same virtual mission location Central India and choose minimum 2 zones for the high availability. Yeah,
Anything need to
yeah,
be
two,
chosen
two or
here?
more also is fine. No, choose available zones.
Okay.
A minimum two or, yeah, minimum choose two.
Okay.
If one zone is down, at least those VMs would be scattered in multiple zones. Okay, yeah, two is fine. Then choose the image. Say which one you want, Windows 10. No, scroll down. Image. That, not that.
Yeah, this one, right?
Yeah, here. Yeah,
Okay.
choose which one you want. Maybe Windows 10 with the apps. Basic Windows 11 you choose. Multi-session also you can choose. Third one you choose there. Yeah, that is also fine. Yeah.
I will go with the Microsoft
No,
365,
that is
then.
no. That's maybe expensive.
Okay.
Later we'll go.
Okay. Number of VMs.
Yeah.
So we'll go with the 1 or 2.
Two you give.
Okay. This type. Standard STD solution.
It's standard. As of now, choose standard. In the real time, we'll choose premium SSD because it's expensive.
And what is this standard STD? Is this
That is hard disk driver.
okay?
So is solid state drivers or hard disk kind, local hard disk kind of drivers.
Okay, so default size is
Yeah, default
120.
size. Yeah, yeah. Scroll down. Yeah, virtual network. That virtual network, have you created any virtual network before?
No, no.
No, then first create a virtual network in the same resource group and the same uh, uh, region, then that virtual network use here. So go to
Okay,
VNet
so
in
we
the
can.
services. In the VNet you go.
Okay,
So go to virtual networks.
okay. So okay, we'll come to this space
Yeah,
later,
this
right? So
later you can come to this. Yeah, create a virtual network here. Say for the VMs, it used to create the virtual network by default, but for this we need to create it.
VNet one. Region we have to give the same region, right?
Yeah,
Central.
same region we need to choose. Otherwise, we don't get that in the drop down. Central India only, right?
Yeah, yeah, it can. This is one.
Yeah, so here no need to choose the basic options. We want add multiple subnets if you want.
Okay. Now let me create it. Okay.
Yeah, if you want to add one more subnet, you can add it. Otherwise, the default also is fine. So once it's created, this network we need to choose.
Okay, VNet one came.
Yeah, yeah. Here choose those virtual network. It takes minimum 10 to 15 minutes to create those virtual missions. Change the virtual mission size to not 2 CPUs. Reduce that size. Change size is the right standard D2. Not
Yeah,
that.
yeah, got it.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, got it. This
Yeah, yeah.
one, right?
This one try to reduce it because we don't have much CPUs, virtual CPUs available. Choose the first one. Choose that virtual network.
Yes.
Yeah, and open
Is
the
there
port
anything?
number. No, no. Open the port number RDP port.
Is there anything need to be
Yeah. So in the
selected?
real time, we need to enable boot diagnostics. We need to enable. Scroll down.
Hmm.
Yeah. Set that domain to join instead of Active Directory. Choose Enter ID. So now we are adding to Azure Enter ID itself. No need of Intune as of now. Yeah, create a Azure Mission administrative account. So instead of using administrator, give Azure user something or your name kind of thing like this. You can give the username. Don't keep
Okay.
capitals. Yeah, so no issues. For password, make sure case sensitive.
Mhm. Okay.
A minimum 12 letters you need to keep it.
Okay. So custom config scripting.
Yeah, no need of if you have any login scripts, those all we can do it. Yeah, next. Yeah, add those missions to the host pool. So it takes more time to add those missions to the host pool. Yeah, create it. So meanwhile, for Girish, Subrat, Venkat, create the users in the enter ID.
గుర్తుపట్టా
They come to this takes more
మోటార్
time.
వైర్
So assume
మోటార్
we are
వైర్
creating the
కాలిందన్నా
users in the enter ID.
అది మనకి
So come
లోపల
to
నుంచి వచ్చింది
users there.
కరెక్ట్ గా మోటార్ కి అక్కడ వైర్ కాలింది. నేను ఆ బాక్స్ ఒక్క తీసా కూడా, అంటే వైర్ బయటకు
Venkat, can you
వస్తే
please go
చూసా
on mute?
కాలింది. ఫోటో పంపిమంటే పంపిస్తా.
Yeah, you can make it, make him.
ఆ, నీకేమన్నా రేపొద్దున కుదిరిద్దా? సరే.
Okay. So now go to users there.
ఉమ్, అది అసలు
In the search, you can go
ఏం
for
లేదు, పొగలేం రాలేదు, అదేం జరగల. అది
users.
ఉమ్, ఉమ్.
Yeah, here create some of the users with your name, Venkat, Girish. That is your root account type. Yeah, for these
Yeah.
users also will do the entitlement.
Okay.
Yeah, set it minimum 12 letters you keep. So how many users created? The two users
Two
is
user
fine. Yeah, two
created.
is fine. Yeah.
Okay, it's taking some time, I think.
Yeah. That desktops also will take more time. Refresh once. Is it for that virtual missions or this user?
No, user got created. It is for the virtual machine.
Virtual missions, right? It takes more time. So there instead of user search for groups. So in the search bar, search for groups. Okay. Try to create one group VDA users type
Okay.
and add those users also to that group.
Okay. Mm. For Anirudh, I think okay. Now it's on.
Yeah. So go to that virtual machine section.
Okay. So now this one, like the member as well.
Yeah. Add those. Search with that names. Your names. Subrat. Say multiple users also you can add to that group. Yeah, come to that AVD itself. Search for AVD. It takes minimum 10 to 15 minutes it will take. Say come to that session host. Left side manage session host. Those VMs would be creating, but it takes some time. Yeah, in that manage session host.
Yeah.
It takes some time, but these three, like how many desktops we have created, those desktops are going to create. Then we can attach them to the application groups or session host, and that workspaces can be created. Then user is going to connect to this. Okay, come to new tab. New tab you come or open in the private mode.
Okay, new tab, right? Okay.
Yeah, new tab. Yeah, how to connect to Azure AVD you type. So this would be the URL for everyone. No company need to maintain their own load balancers, NetScaler kind of resources, storefront, controllers. Everything is managed by Azure itself. Yeah, scroll down. There would be an URL. No, this is through RDP. Go to web browser. Second one, left side of Windows is there, right? As of now, we'll connect through web browser. Left side, that left side you are in the Windows app.
Okay, web browser.
Yeah, web browser. Yeah.
Okay.
So from your browser, scroll down. There will be one URL. Left side, scroll down. Right side. Yeah. Yeah, the first URL you copy. So this is the most recommended method. If it is Azure US Cloud, that URL is different, but this is the URL everyone in the world are going to log in. Okay, so that user say go to your user details, not this. You created one enter ID user, right?
Yeah, got it.
Yeah, go to that user Subrat. Yeah, there will be one identifier is there.
Is this one?
That identifier and that password you can log in.
Okay, identifier. Okay. No, this is the identifier.
That
I
is
think this one
that is
is
user
the...
yeah, first one.
— 14 days until this is required.
Yeah, ask later. So you can enable a authenticator of app also for the multi-factor authentication. But here we are not getting any any desktops, right? So normally
Yeah, I
here,
think
if you log into the storefront, we'll get the desktops, right? But as of now,
yeah.
we didn't get it. So we'll try to get those desktops, and applications also can be delivered. How to deliver those, we'll discuss. Say anyone in the world can log in using that URL. They no need to maintain the storefront servers by own. Yeah, it takes some time. That desktop need to be delivered.
Yeah, I think missing
Yeah,
thing.
come to that session host in the manage. Yeah, so two VMs. Uh, Try to select them and start it, but still those are final
Yeah, still I
checkings need
think
to done.
deployment
Yeah, yeah,
is in.
yeah. That's all need to create. It takes some time. But two VMs have been like we have added two virtual machines, right? In the real time, we'll add hundreds of virtual machines. So what is the meaning of drain mode? If we want to keep in the maintenance kind of thing, we can keep in the drain mode. Okay, we can enable drain mode or we can turn off drain mode also. In the Citrix also, we are going to keep those in the like maintenance kind of mode. So that you select that VM, either you can select drain mode, you can enable or disable here. That you selected is just to filter. And here we
I've
have the
selected.
agent version, right? Agent version also we may need to upgrade sometimes if required. That is just like a VDA kind of thing.
Okay, here we can turn off, right?
Yeah, turn on, turn off, we can do it by selecting that.
I think once the health state is available, we can able to perform
Yeah,
these things.
we'll keep whenever any patching or any maintenance activities are going on, we can keep in the drain mode. And we can manage these by integrating with the Microsoft Intune also. And now I think one mission came into can connect state. Yeah, let it be. That's no, come to that same host pool itself. Go to that cloud host beside to home. Yeah.
Yeah.
So come to manage. Yeah, session host. Select them. Assignment need to be done. Select those session hosts. Select those two.
Yeah.
Select one, otherwise ones.
Okay, let it do.
Yeah, assignment. First start it. Start that session host.
Yeah.
It's anyhow running state. Select that. One mission. Normally here we need to enable assignment here. We'll come to application groups. Add an application group here. Select that one. Cloud. Yeah, go to that. Clouds of the DAG. Go to that.
Manage assignment.
Yeah, manage assignments. So here add that. Select the users or groups. Subrat, Sumant. Yeah. Yeah, multiple users because these are pooled, right? Multiple users you can add. If it is personal, only one user can be added to one desktop.
Let
That
me add the
group
group as
also,
well.
yeah, later you can add those users to that group.
Okay.
So with the 10 to 20 users, create and connect to those pooled desktops. So it's added, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, then close this assignment. Yeah, go to that CloudSoft itself. Yeah, session host. Yeah, here also assignment need to be done. Okay, let it be come to that user remote desktop web client. Log off and log in. Go to that green, like that blue symbol is there, right? Yes. There would be sign off. So only we have one workspace option would be there. In that workspace, we need to entitle them. Then only it will be displayed. Come to that CloudSoft itself. That assignment option is not coming. Select one server.
Still it is grayed out.
Assignment, because the once the user connects, this may be automatic assignment kind of thing. Cancel this. Come to host pool. Come to your host pool, CloudSoft host pool. That itself, right? You come to settings in that host pool. Settings.
Okay.
Scaling plan, properties. Properties. Scroll down. Here we don't have that workspace. Come to manage only.
Did I have to drain mode off?
No, not it's not related. There would be one option like workspace. What is that RDP web client is showing? Come to RDP web client. Not third tab. Third tab. This RDP web client you log in right with the user.
Yeah, got it.
Third tab.
So let's loading.
In incognito, try to log in that. Why it is taking too much time?
Still nothing. Yeah.
The
Nothing.
resources are not coming. You come to that host pools itself. Normally, while creating the host pools itself, we can choose the VMs, then workspace, all those options. But we did in a reverse way. Come to Can Connect, click on that Can Connect. Scroll down. Yeah, Can Connect. This also goes to that session host only.
Yes, and Azure is disabled actually.
No, it's a pool
That's it.
desktop, right? Once the user log in, that entitlement is done. It's not binded to that user. Check.
Yeah, because it is the pooled
Yeah, it's
kind
a
of
pooled
environments.
one. Scroll, come back, come to cloud host itself.
Yeah.
Scroll down applications and the application groups you come. This application group will add to that session host. Go to there. That clouds of DAG. Go click on that. Here we have assigned 4 assignments. 1 second. That manage that application. Select that one. Session. And refresh. Select that. Go to that session desktop. Click on that session desktop. No, there itself. Click on that session desktop. Yeah.
Yeah, nothing is
It's only
only.
display name only. Cancel. Session host.
Now click on this, add a Azure to a desktop.
That is just documentation.
Okay, documentation. Okay.
Yeah. Come to session host only.
Mm-hmm. School assignment type is not
Come to
configured.
session host itself. There's this assignment option. Both select and click on start once. Click on start. The third, any option, did you get it in the third option? Third tab, yeah. You choose the 3 dots, last 3 dots. User is not fine. Third tab you come, third tab.
Uh,
That remote desktop web client. Third tab in your browser.
okay, got it. Still nothing is appearing.
The drain mode is off only, right?
Drain mode is on, it's showing.
No, that is the option.
Okay.
Mode is off only.
Okay. Yeah.
So here we are not getting that workspace is not search for workspace in the search option.
Yeah.
Yeah. In the not there. Yeah, there. The second one.
First
Yeah,
one.
not that. Second one choose. Create a workspace here. Yeah, choose this. Give any workspace name.
The central is not
Yeah,
coming.
Central India.
Yeah, central India is
Yeah, that third one is there.
there, right? Okay.
They give any friendly name also. Yeah, that application group which we have created that need to be given now. Yeah, register application. Yes, register that. Yes. Add that. Yeah, add that. Yeah, select that. Yeah, no need. Next tax. Yeah, once this workspace has been enabled, then only we'll get.
Yeah, workspace is enabled like that, right?
Yeah. Go
Okay.
to that resource workspace. Go to that resource.
Yeah.
So now
Is there anything like
web client log off and log in again. That users have been entitled to that application group, right?
Yeah. So let me refresh it.
Yeah, log off and log in better.
Okay. Yeah, now
Yeah,
it's
see here that session desktop, click on that. In that NSG, definitely you need to open the port number, not this user password. At the VM level, you given right AVD user something. While creating the virtual missions, you gave AVD user something. And you kept one password also.
Can you check in the console exactly?
That VM, try to check it to reset it. That, but which session host have been assigned also.
Is my password still stuck?
uh, can connect, go to
So you
those.
cannot.
Yeah, select that one, any of that session host.
Yeah.
Yeah, that three dots, because here it doesn't allow to change it, I think. Click on that cloud AVD 0. Click on that.
Okay.
Mm,
Log out from it.
no, here we don't have any option that you didn't remember that virtual machine. AVD user, I
Username and
think you gave
password,
the
I think I
user.
remember, but username
Azure user you
uh,
kept, or AVD user? I think in the capitals you
AVD
kept.
user one, I think. Let me try
Okay.
that one. Uh,
That username password, it definitely should give an option to reset it. Come to that host pool, CloudSoft. Here, help, that help,
access control.
not this, help. Left side
Help.
automation below help is there. No, no. Session host only should allow you, because those session host itself having the VMs. But here we don't have any option to.
Access control. Sure.
Go to that VM.
Here.
Yeah.
Oh, we cannot create any new user.
Yeah, we can
This will
delete
try.
this and we can create it. So we can,
No, only about the user only.
yeah, this is the VM level username and password.
Okay,
So
okay.
go and add there in the session host, go and add. Yeah, click next. Yeah, here you need to set again. It prompt to scroll down there. Scroll down. Here choose that enter ID. Yeah, here you need to choose that username and password.
So, maybe one. Okay, I remembered now the password, but not sure what is the username I have given that time.
Yeah. Azure AVD itself, I think it's in the capitals you give. And now create a one more session host and remove those session hosts. So actually, that workspace option they didn't give anywhere in the left side. At the time of creation itself, they gave.
So,
Yeah, previous session host, we delete them.
let me try 1 second.
Login with that itself, use that password itself. No, that itself, that Subrat itself you give.
Yeah. Yeah, but you have to give the username, right?
Not that you create, not Azure AVD, Subrat something. Cancel this.
Uh-huh.
Yeah,
Okay, okay.
click on that. That enter ID user itself you give that password. No, that you don't take that user. Okay. So remaining 2 session hosts to delete once meanwhile. Yeah.
Remove only, right?
Yeah, remove. It may take a lot of time.
This time we are using Azure AVD.
Meanwhile, log off and log in again. That remote desktop web client, log off and log in. Yeah, here no like session hosts are available at this moment. Yeah, click on that. Hello. Yeah, because there are
Okay.
no resources are available at this moment. That new VM need to be created, that session host, then that's only can be given to the users. Okay, sure. Then we'll connect tomorrow this one. Keep like this.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
Sure.
yeah. Nice. Thank you.
So that previous one also created. Morning I created this one. Personal desktops. This is pooled desktops.
Yeah.
Okay, sure.